Today, I want to share a guided meditation that is symbolic of a washing machine. But this washing machine is a washing machine of your mind where you can transform any challenge that you may have in your life. And with all guided meditations, do not listen while you're driving or operating heavy machinery. So let's begin. Find yourself a comfortable space where you can either lie down or you can sit in a comfortable chair and just let your arms and legs relax. Just let them rest easily. And when you're ready, just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a breath out slowly. And just take another deep breath in and a slow exhale. Let yourself begin to settle with every breath. Allow yourself to go deeper, deeper into that feeling of relaxation. As you breathe in calm and breathe out tension. And I want you to know you can be aware of any sounds that you may hear inside your room or outside your room. These sounds are unimportant. Just follow the sound of my voice. And in some strange ways, these sounds may even take you even deeper and deeper into that feeling of relaxation, allowing all your muscles to relax and release any tension. And now I will count from 1 to 5, and you become more deeply relaxed with each number, shedding any tension with each number. 1, feeling calm and relaxed. 2, drifting ever deeper into relaxation. 3, more and more relaxed. 4, breathing deeply and calmly. 5, totally relaxed, all tension released. Let your body begin to soften. Your shoulders comfortably drop. Let your thoughts slowly relax, releasing all stress, all tension. You're entering a calm, safe, inner space of your mind. Now, in your imagination, begin to visualize a soft, glowing door in front of you. This door leads to a unique place within your unconscious mind, a place of transformation. When you're ready, gently open the door and step inside. You find yourself in a quiet, luminous room. Just notice the surroundings. Notice the colors and the calmness in the room. In the center of this space is a beautiful, otherworldly washing machine, not made of plastic or steel, but of light and intention. This machine is designed not to wash clothes, but to cleanse and transform emotional and mental energy. With curiosity, you approach it and notice a basket beside it. Inside the basket are symbolic representations of your current challenges. They may appear as objects, colors, shapes, sounds, or sensations. Just notice and accept how they represent themselves. Pick one or more challenges you want to work with now. Gently place them into the machine. Now close the door of the machine. And as you do, you notice the machine begins to hum gently, spinning with waves of glowing light. Just notice the colors, the sounds, the vibrations. You may hear soft water or feel warmth or even see sparkles of energy swirling. This is a deep cleansing of old patterns, fear, heaviness, doubt. They're all being lifted and restructured into beneficial qualities. What once weighed you down is being dissolved, cleared, repatterned into strength, a new perspective, and purpose. Allow it to run. Feel the energy in your body responding. You feel lighter, more aligned, more at ease. And as the spin slows, you hear a soft chime, The door opens, and inside, the challenge has transformed. You can take it out now and then take a look at it. What does it look like? What does it sound like? Does it have a texture? Just notice this new transformed energy. It may now appear as a crystal or a tool, a light, or a word, something symbolic of a gift of strength, empowerment, or even insight. Hold it in your hands. Feel its energy. This is what your challenge has become: a benefit to you, a resource, inner strength. And you can say to yourself, I allow life to transform every challenge into growth. I trust the process. I embrace the gift within every experience. Let the feeling of this truth soak into your unconscious mind. Now place the symbol of transformation gently into your heart or your mind's eye, storing it within you. And as the washing machine fades and you walk slowly back towards the glowing door, you leave lighter, clearer, more empowered. Step back through the door. Feel yourself returning to your place of comfort and relaxation. And now, before I wake you, I want you to know that the changes you've made will empower you and allow you to achieve success, confidence, and to embrace new opportunities with excitement. You are limitless. You have a limitless source of creativity and inspiration. Now, you can embrace the freedom to express yourself. You're intelligent, capable, and resourceful. Your mind is crystal clear. You become more focused and calm. As every moment and day goes by, as you see things more clearly, so that nothing and no one will ever be able to affect you in quite the same way. As you are more mentally and physically relaxed, in a moment's time, you will hear me count from 1 to 10, And with each number, you will awaken feeling whole and transformed. Every part of you will be back here in the present. All normal sensations will return to your body. You will bring back with you that feeling of transformation that has brought you more empowerment, more confidence, more self-worth. So ready. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, waking up. 7, 8, open your eyes. And 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake.